Okay, this is my 8-day pocket watch. I'll try to show it here with a little bit of light reflecting on it. It's pretty clean. There's like a piece of hair underneath here and some specks of dirt floating around in here as well, so it definitely does need to be cleaned. But the face is actually pretty nice. It doesn't have like those big cracks or anything in it. So I'm going to show you the back now too. It is working. The glass around the edge is a little beat up. I'm not sure if this ever would have come with a case or not. But I'm trying to show it to you in detail. It probably did have a case because I noticed some nail, like right by my thumb right now, there's like a little nail sticking up. And there's a few more along the edge here that implies that this would have had something else on it, so perhaps like a hunter case or something. There's a small dent like right here by my finger that I want to point out. Some scratches overall. There's this line here. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that or not on the back. And there's another mark right here, which is the hinge actually. And there's a number right here that looked by my finger. I think it says 901. And I'm going to open it up now to show you it is working. And I'll try to zoom in there on that a little more. Just trying to focus in at close range here. And there's another number down there. I'll try to zoom in on. It says Swiss on it. And this other thing says BREVET, and then there's a cross, and then there's another number there in the middle of the watch. Looks like it could be a 55236 there. So anyway, oh, and you can, if you pull this out, you can move the numbers. I started this around 8:35, so the numbers, the big hand has been moving, but see if I can also adjust it this way. And pop that back, and it will continue to work as a watch. Thanks for watching.